camera layouts, region recording, screenshot tool, AI webcam avatars, and more. Here are some of the highlights of CANVID V3. First stop is region recording. Instead of recording your entire screen or a full window, you can now record just the exact area you want. It's perfect for keeping distractions out of your recordings. We've also introduced a brand new screenshot tool. Capture, annotate, and save your favorite styles as reusable presets. And even better, apart from CANVID videos, you can also use privacy filters on your screenshots, letting you hide sensitive information with ease. Speaking of editing, you can now adjust the speed of individual clips on your timeline to speed them up, or create a more dynamic video without affecting the rest of your recording. Another feature many of you have been asking for is background music. You can now add, replace, or remove background music directly inside your project without needing another editor. We've also continued improving our AI-powered transcription. Transcripts are now more accurate, timestamps are better, and we've significantly improved transcription performance on Intel processors, making transcription much faster on supported hardware. Windows users can now automatically generate a transcript as soon as a recording finishes. For creators using AI webcam, you can now create and save your own AI webcam avatars, making it much easier to reuse them across multiple videos. And better yet, the local generation time is now up to 70% faster, with close to real-time performance on an Intel Core Ultra 3. Another major update is multilingual speech edits. You can correct or replace existing audio just by editing the transcript. Now you can do that across multiple languages as well. One of the biggest, newest features in CANVID V3 are camera layouts. Before, your entire video could only use one camera layout. Now, you can switch between multiple layouts in the same project. Want your camera full screen for one section, tucked in the corner for another, or hidden completely? Just add layout segments to your timeline, and CANVID will handle the transitions for you. As always, thank you for your feedback and for helping shape CANVID. Download the latest version, give it a try, and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next update.